Wondering how to delete your Adobe account permanently? Stick around, we'll cover it step by step. First, log into your Adobe account on their website. Access your profile settings to begin. Next, find the Account Management section and scroll down to locate Delete Account. Be careful here. Review the information provided about account deletion and follow the prompts. After confirming your decision, Adobe will provide additional information about data retention. Finally, complete the process by clicking Delete Account. Your data will be removed permanently. Make sure to download any files you may need before starting this process. Remember, once deleted, you can't recover your account, so proceed with caution. If you need help at any point, contact Adobe Support for assistance. And that's it. You're now ready to delete your Adobe account safely and securely. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you next time, and happy exploring!